What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a 200 push-up, 200 squat workout challenge under 10 minutes. So we're going to try to do 200 push-ups and 200 squats in under 10 minutes. I'm going to power my workout today with my BCAs. Good for muscle endurance, recovery. I take this all the time during training, sometimes afterwards. But it's really good, guys. If you haven't tried it out, check it out. The link is in the description. We're gonna get this workout going, but on workouts like this, I really push my body to the limits. I make sure I have my BCAs. Green apple right here is my favorite. Really good at muscle recovery, muscle endurance. Been taking this for years, but it's all good. This is a fun challenge. Haven't done this before, but I've seen it around on YouTube and I thought I'd give it a shot just for a workout and do it. So let's go ahead and get the timer going. I'm gonna try to do maybe 20 push-ups and 20 squats per minute. I'll try to pace myself there, and if I could go faster, I'll probably just speed it up a little bit, but let's get it. Right? 20, so I'm gonna keep going. Sets. Two sets. Again, I want to average out 20 for each minute until I reach the 10-minute mark. That should be 200. 200. All right, set number 3. That was set number 3, right? Or 4? I'm just gonna keep going.
I think 3.
3 or 4. I think that was 4 then. 4. One more and we're halfway there. All right, 5 sets, we're halfway there. We're at 100 push-ups, 100 squats. Just 100 more to go. Six sets, 4 more to go. Good upper body and lower body workout. Really feeling it. Good for fat burning, strength building, build up your reps. Let's go. How do you feel? Feeling good. Definitely feeling it now. I need to turn it into a workout. Okay, that was set number 7, right? 2 more. Wait, no, 3 more. Two more sets. Let's go. Let's finish strong. You guys got this. All right, last set. Let's finish strong. 20 push-ups, 20 squats. Let's finish this workout. We're done. Oh, that was a good workout. Good upper body pump, lower body pump too. Really gets your heart rate up, so it's a good challenge, guys. I hopefully recommend you try this workout out. Try it at your house, at the gym, at the park, anywhere with your friends. Let me know what you think, and also comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next time.